guys, it's Monkey832, and today we're going to be doing a KD Trey 5 unboxing. Yep, it came early. Here's a Christmas card, has $50 in it, and here are the shoes. Oh yeah, blue KDs. I know you can't really see it that well, but I got me some blue KDs. Come on. Here's the other shoe. Here's both the shoes. I know it's like the wrong feet in the wrong order because this is right, this is the left. Let's take all the stuff out of them, like the other KD. Oh god, that's my sock. Come on. It's not coming out. There. See, here's the paper from the first one. Here's more pieces of it. Here's the paper from the first one. Alright, let's get the second one. And you guys are going to see the floor for a little bit here. Alright. Come on. Alright. We got a piece of it. Come on. You guys are going to see my carpet for a second here. Right, come on. Come on. There it is. There's the other one. So these are my KDs. They look nice, right? These KDs. There's a KD. KD logo. On the bottom there's another KD logo. And same for the other shoe. And there's even a KD logo right here. And of course there's another KD logo right here. And this is the box. This is your average orange Nike box there, size 4.5. I have tiny feet. Well, tiny feet for my age, anyway. So, yeah, that'll be it for this KD Trey 5 unboxing / vlogmas, whatever. And I'm sorry for not vlogging. I just have not been vlogging because I don't remember to. So, yeah, guys, thank you for watching this KD Trey 5 unboxing. See ya!